Fact number 5. Borokni bwkhanaiku hwrwngo tamoni hinmanile sini bwkhanai yaphang hair follicles o kwbangma cells tongo. A cells no melanocytes stem cells no a jaga no melanin peeling release khaio. A melanin tongmani bagui no sini bwkhanai kosom wngo. Young age o melanin release wngmang tongo. Phiya sini umor ni loge loge melanin no release khainai cells melanocytes stem thwi thango. Haifano baksa baksa umor wngjak burarokni bwkhanai kosom bo tongo. Aborok diet kaham khaio healthy khai tongo. Fact number 4. Plant o norok jotono nukbai khwna. Phiya Senecio peregrinus mungwi kaisa plant tongo. A plant ni blai dolphins baharjak khaini bagui a plant no dolphins plant bo himjago. Fact number 3. Tai jotono khao school college office rogo kaisa tai no 177 147 style ke khaimano. Fact number 2. Earth ni equator je a kwsar line tongmani Brazil ni Cerro mungwi kaisa football stadium tongo. A football match kwsar ni equator line bai Earth ni line ek kaisa team southern hemisphere hingke tai kaisa team northern hemisphere. Fact number 1. Game jotono thungo aboni bisingo kaisa popular game ka GTA game. GTA 5 game samna puru 1800 crore rang nangka game no develop khaithani. Phiya game no release khaimani one day ni bisingo 4800 crore tai 3 day ni bisingo $1 billion kamai khaikha.